Right.
right? So like I came back from Vision by Design in 2015. I literally on my whiteboard, if you do not have a whiteboard, please invest $15 in a whiteboard. It will be Amazon to your thing tomorrow, right? Teleportation is already happening.
Mm-hmm.
A whiteboard just gives you time. It gives you, it's a really easy tool. I've got mine like already filled out, like you can see it here, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Um, yeah, it's a tech hack, right? So I came back, I was like, atropine. And I've never fit an ortho K lens before I went to Vision by Design. Atropine, you still couldn't even get it. The only thing that we had was the Natural View multifocal or Biofinity multifocal, right? When I went,
Right.
my site wasn't even launched.
Right.
Okay. And so you had to, now we've got spectacles coming. You've got another lens, like it's amazing the tools that we have now, right? I invested in an axial length measuring device, which
Mm-hmm.
I still love. Like I had a topographer, but I invested in another one. Now I've got 3 topographers, right? I'm not telling you like got to go crazy. Um, but I just looked at all those things as an investment, right? And then I built the program. It literally took me 2 hours. Now you've got all these resources at your hands. Like you can get Caitlin Rigetti to build you a beautiful pamphlet that's
Mm-hmm.
for you, right? If you don't have those skills on Canva or whatever it is,
Right.
it's really inexpensive to do this, like $200, $300, right? And then you just hit print.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just putting one foot in front of the other, day in, day out, and then you can have the conversations with the parents. So, and that's the fun piece.
Yeah. To piggyback what you're saying, like, because I love how the elephant example in particular, and I want everyone to recognize that if this is something that if we could swallow the elephant in one go, everybody would be doing myopia management and they would be doing it at a higher level and everything would be clicking into place. And this wouldn't be the specialty that you would want to go into. If every eye doctor could be doing this, and I don't think every eye doctor should be doing this. There's plenty of other specialties out there. Not every doctor, in my opinion, should do myopia management, but they should serve myopia management, take care of the patients, right?
Mhm.
But if you could just swallow the elephant just like that, then
Yeah.
this would be significantly less special than it is. It wouldn't require as much, and you wouldn't be in the position that you are. And I can't think of really anything in life that has value that you can get instantly without any work or any planning or any components or steps. So I love that because the practices that I've been in, the doctors are looking at it from like, I got to swallow this whole elephant right now. And it's like, no, you just have to do these particular pieces. If you're interested in getting the rest of the episode, consider becoming a paid supporter of the Myopia Mindset. In addition to an extended version of this episode and every other episode that we do, you'll also get access to exclusive monthly bonus episodes of the Myopia Mindset. And I know you're interested. You've made it this far. You can do so on our Substack, myopiamindset.substack.com. I'll see you at the next one.